Fresh details about the iPhone 18 Pro have now appeared in what many are describing as the biggest iPhone leak so far. The reported information comes from an unexpected stage of testing, and the source itself makes the story even more interesting. According to the leak, the device was reportedly seen during a supply chain drop test. That setting has drawn plenty of attention because it suggests the hardware was already undergoing real evaluation before its official unveiling. Looking closely at the leaked footage, the overall appearance remains quite similar to the iPhone 17 Pro. Even so, one noticeable change stands out, as the phone appears slightly thicker, leading directly to the reason behind it. That added thickness is reportedly the result of a slightly larger battery inside the device. Another detail catching attention is a refreshed silver finish, which differs from the silver currently offered on the iPhone 17 Pro in a subtle way. The new silver version also appears to move away from the white back glass used before. Overall, the finish looks more refined, while both the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to become slightly thicker and heavier. One familiar feature is staying exactly where users expect it to. Camera control remains positioned on the right side, showing no sign of relocation. Another important detail from the leak also changes the expected launch timeline. Instead of arriving this September, the standard iPhone 18 is now expected to launch early next year. Another leaked image also reveals the long-rumored cherry red model, which is reportedly undergoing testing at the same time. The cherry red finish appears especially impressive in the leaked image. Alongside the new color, the latest reports also confirm the presence of Apple's A20 chipset, together with an upgraded cooling system for improved efficiency. The iPhone 17 Pro already offered excellent thermal management, but these leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro could improve that performance even further. Additional hardware upgrades continue to strengthen the overall picture. Among those upgrades are the new C2 modem and a smaller dynamic island. After appearing in rumors for quite some time, this leak now also points toward the reduced dynamic island finally becoming a confirmed feature. The leak further claims the next iPhone will use DDR6 RAM, replacing the DDR5X memory found in the iPhone 17 Pro. That change is expected to deliver quicker processing along with an even smoother overall experience. At this stage, pricing remains the only major detail still unconfirmed. Apple has already increased prices across Macs, iPads, and other products, while iPhone pricing has stayed unchanged so far, though that may soon shift. Current expectations suggest the iPhone 18 Pro could rise about $200 because of the ongoing global memory shortage, reaching $1,300, while the Pro Max may start at $1,400. These figures remain speculative until Apple makes its official announcement. So what do you think, and are you planning to upgrade? If yes, which iPhone are you using today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.